All right, so beginning from where the last one was cut off, I was saying that this story is about how a man's day went. So the first thing you do is to add in your lines, okay? Here is saying that it's been a while he hung out with his friends, so they said to hang up to catch up, and you always save and close your files when you're done. Then you move to the next one, you add what you want to add. The next one, you add what you want to add. And then I had to add the last scene because the story didn't seem complete. Next thing to do is to find your overall feel. Do you want it to look like a board drawing, or do you want it to look like a paper that's been cut and placed? I prefer mine looking like a board drawing. And there's also the option to change your font size or style, but you'd have to pay for the premium features to get this. The next thing is to generate your color. If you don't like this color, you can go here and choose what you want. It's a wide range. You can choose whatever you want, and this is what I want. Okay, next thing to do is to add music to whatever you have made. Okay, you can add music right here. Click on add music. You can listen to the music before adding it so you know if it suits whatever you're doing. And I think this suits it, so I'm just going to click on add. Okay, I've already added music to this. And the next thing or the last thing, you can also use the voiceover option where you'd record yourself talking, or when you've paid for the premium features, you get a voiceover directly from them. And last but not the least, you do a fast preview. This is going to take quite a while, so you'd have to wait for it to be done. Okay, wait for it to get off the queue and do the rest. Okay, now it's done. You can view your videos right now. But to save it, what you have to do is go to your folders, like click on where you signed up earlier and go to your projects, that's your videos, and rename and save. Rename and save your video. Okay, so I'm going to rename my video. Whiteboard animation. I'm going to call this my day. Okay. And when you click on the free preview, you see the option to play and download. To remove this watermark, you'd have to subscribe to get the premium features before the watermark renderforest at the bottom of the video is going to be taken away. But um, if you don't want to, how do I put this? If you don't want to pay and you want to hide it, you can use your InShot app to cover that. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Looks like I don't see so I'm advising you to put in so much work on your animation. So remember to always not cover it because you need to cover that remember to change it when you get to it. Okay. Okay, now we're going to be using the InShot app to cover uh yes, to cover the so we're working on the video. So this is the video we're working on. You click on whatever video you're working on and you want to add a text to the video. Anything you want, you can do like whatever you want. Okay, I'm just going to write Coco. Alright. You can choose however you want it to be too. I like mine being simple and cute. Okay, we've covered that render first. But the deal is you have to indicate um, how, if you don't take your time to do this, like drag the text. If you don't take time to drag the text, it will not cover it everywhere. So you have to drag how long you want. You see, it's not showing all the text. Okay, so you drag it to show that you want it on every page. Okay, so it's on every page now. So that's basically what you come to InShot to do after your video. Alright, so we've come to the end of this. When you're done with that, you save the video. I'm going to choose the smallest because I think the medium quality because I don't want it to occupy so much space on my phone. This is based to save from here straight to your gallery. This is the first step on how to use renderforest to make your whiteboard animation. Thank you.